You've bought your first 3D printer, set it up, and printed a few models. But sooner or later, you'll face a problem. Parts won't stick to the bed, or prints come out with defects. The reason is often simple: a dirty print bed. Fingerprints, dust, bits of filament, or leftover glue can all ruin adhesion. Today, I'll show you how to properly clean your 3D printer bed and what methods work best for different surfaces. Let's start with universal rules. For grease or dust, plain water with a drop of dish soap works great. For smooth beds, you can use window cleaner. A microfiber cloth is perfect for quick cleaning. Isopropyl alcohol, IPA, improves adhesion, but should not be used on tape-covered surfaces. Acetone is good for glass or metal, but it can damage plastic. And of course, a scraper is your best friend for carefully removing stuck filament. Golden rule: always wait until the bed cools down before cleaning. Many modern printers come with a PEI sheet. It's durable and provides great adhesion. Always wait for the bed to cool down. Use a scraper to remove leftover filament, but don't scratch the surface. Wipe with soapy water or window cleaner. Finish with IPA to remove any residues. Important: never use acetone on PEI. It will damage it. Glass is popular for its smooth surface and durability. Again, only clean when it's cooled down. Carefully remove leftovers with a scraper. Wipe with microfiber and soapy water or IPA. Dry the surface with a lint-free cloth. Tip: never pour cold liquid on a hot glass bed. It can crack. Magnetic build plates are flexible and easy to work with, but they also need proper cleaning. First, always wait until the bed is cooled down. To remove leftover filament, you can use a scraper, but don't press too hard to avoid damaging the coating. A popular trick: instead of scraping, just print a thin, flat object on top of the residue. When you peel it off, the old plastic will come away together with the new layer. For deeper cleaning, wipe the surface with a microfiber cloth and warm soapy water. After drying, finish with IPA to remove grease and improve adhesion. Remember, never clean a hot magnetic bed, and don't use acetone. It can damage surface. Resin printers also require proper care. Use a scraper to remove cured resin. If needed, scrub gently with IPA and a soft brush. Always dry the plate completely after cleaning. Some users add tape layers for extra adhesion. Use a scraper only for large chunks of filament. Carefully, wipe dust off with a microfiber cloth, and if the tape is damaged or too dirty, replace it with a fresh layer. It's easier than trying to restore it. A clean bed is the key to successful 3D printing. Cleaning only takes a couple of minutes, but it saves hours of reprints and failed parts. Take a moment to wipe down your bed after every print, and your printer will reward you with consistent, high-quality results.